Bonsoir Rachel, j'espère que tu vas bien. Nous sommes le mercredi 25 mars. Il est 23 heures, il est 11 heures du soir. So, en général, I think I put the answers of the exercises in the last video, but I'll do it again. Just a minute again. Hop. D'habitude, vous mangez de la viande ou du poisson à midi. D'habitude, je mange de la viande à midi, mais hier, j'ai mangé du poisson. En général, je dîne chez moi, mais hier, j'ai dîné au restaurant. D'habitude, je travaille 8 heures par jour, mais aujourd'hui, j'ai travaillé 7 heures. En général, je commence à 9 heures, mais vendredi, j'ai commencé à 8 heures et j'ai commencé à 9 heures. D'habitude, je termine à 6 heures, mais hier, j'ai terminé à 7 heures. Ok. J'ai acheté des légumes, des M. J'ai payé, j'ai préparé le repas, j'ai dîné et j'ai lavé la vaisselle. Actually, there are two S here. That's so funny, they made a mistake here. Vaisselle. Otherwise, we're gonna have the sound vaisselle. Vaisselle. Okay, so this is that's the the exercises concerning passé composé vous avoir. It's an image. You cannot really write on it. You can just send me the answer. That's fine. It's only with avoir. So all you have to do is to conjugate avoir with the right subject. It's not really difficult. And it's like we waited for the bus for 20 minutes. I took the train for Paris yesterday morning. They had a very good meal last night. You've received your pocket money this week. Argent de poche is like pocket money, is what we say in French. He was charming with me. Have you seen Brigitte this morning? She had a belly ache, a stomach ache last night. What did we celebrate on the 15th of September, or September 15th? Okay. So, now, quel genre de musique aimes-tu? J'aime le rock, j'aime Queen, j'aime Led Zeppelin, j'aime le rock classique. Quel est ton groupe préféré? We can say quel est ton groupe préféré ou qui est ton groupe préféré? Because the group has the name, it's a personification, and I would say we can say both. What and who? Who is your favorite band? Je préfère Led Zeppelin. Okay, so suivre is to follow, but you can also say I am, je suis, I follow, je suis. It can be the same. The context will tell you which one is. Est-ce que tu suis la musique pop? Non, je n'aime pas la musique pop. Et la musique punk, and punk music? Oui, j'aime, non, je n'aime pas, comme ci, comme ça, aucun sait. Quel est ton style de film favori? What is your favorite film style or movie style? I would say movie style. Les documentaires, les comédies, les thrillers, les drames, etc. Est-ce qu'il y a un réalisateur que tu aimes? So, I kind of like Stanley Kubrick, even though the last movie was weird. Yeah, I'm not into blockbuster movies or stuff like that. I really need to feel. It's hard, even with books and novels and stories. It's really hard for me to get into the story. If it's not well written, I tend to ignore it. The same with a movie. So I'm very picky. Qu'est-ce que tu aimes manger? La soupe vietnamienne. J'aime les sandwichs. Quel type de sandwich? Steak fromage. Le jambon beurre. Jambon beurre is baguette, butter, and ham. You can also use these kind of small pecans if you want. So, but now with Subway and all this stuff everywhere, people don't know how to eat a sandwich anymore. We have good bakeries, and they sell sandwiches. So they make wonderful bread, plus they make their own sandwiches. So believe me, this is a killer. So really hard to stay skinny in France. My family is mostly Italian, so we gain weight very easily. Except my mom, she can eat whatever she wants. She's very tall and very skinny, so I don't know what's going on with her. But no, my dad can gain weight very easily, and I think I'm the same. I am the same. Est-ce que tu connais le croque-monsieur? Croque-monsieur is like 2 slices of bread. So you put some, I made some this morning. So, you're gonna spread some butter, real butter, not margarine or margarine. Real butter on each side. You're gonna see the flavor is different. And some, Emmental or Gruyère, you know, the Swiss cheese, the real one. You can find a brand, it's called Président. It's better than any other things you can find. And ham, good ham. And you put it on a pan or waffle maker, and you see it's gonna be delicious. So croque-monsieur. 2 tranches de pain, du gruyère, jambon et beaucoup de beurre. There's lots of butter. For breakfast, pour le petit déjeuner, les Français aiment le pain, le beurre et la confiture. French, they love bread, butter and jam. Qu'est-ce que tu manges pour le petit déjeuner? What do you eat for breakfast? En général, je mange des œufs, de l'avoine, des flocons d'avoine. This is oatmeal, both for oatmeal. I eat eggs. So, communication progressive du français. Let me just go through this stuff. Encore une fois, encore, sortir, to get out, to go out. Être en retard, to be late. Être en avance, to be early. Être à l'heure, to be on time. Excusez-moi, it's formal. Excuse-moi, it's casual. Ce n'est rien, it's nothing. Ce n'est pas grave, it's the same as il n'y a pas de mal. It's no big deal, don't worry about it. Je suis désolé, I'm sorry. Je me lève à 7 heures du matin, I get up at 7 a.m. I wake up, je me réveille. And we also review the passé composé. So, j'ai mangé un sandwich, je suis allé au bureau, so we can use to have or to be with a past participle. So, we saw some verbs. So, let me just go through that. J'ai lu. Hier, j'ai lu un livre dans le train. Yesterday, I read a book on the train. J'ai bu du vin blanc. I drank some white wine. Je t'ai attendu pendant 3 heures. I've waited for you for 3 hours. Je veux as I want. Vouloir. So, je voudrais, I would like. So, j'ai voulu aller en France. I wanted to go to France. Devoir, must have to. Also to owe money. So, je dois partir, I must leave, or je dois de l'argent à John, I owe money to John. Pouvoir, je peux, j'ai pu partir, I could leave. Savoir, to know, connaître, to know. Croire, to believe, je crois en Dieu, là, là, là. Il faut, it's necessary. Il me faut, I need. Okay. Il a fallu partir en retard. So, falloir, this verb I'm using here, we cannot conjugate it with all the subject pronouns, like je, tu, il, etc. We just need to use il, that's it. And it doesn't mean he, it means it. So, well, it depends, here, like, for instance, il a fallu partir en retard, we mean, like, we had to leave late. Okay. And actually, we shouldn't even say that. Il a fallu partir tard. Tard, not en retard. I would say, you can get rid of this part. Okay. Courir, to run. Disparaître, to disappear. Really advise you to watch this movie if you have time. So, I'll save it again, actually. And, what I wanted to say. So that's your homework. You're here. I am going to get rid of this. And save it again, because that's, I made a mistake here. So anyway, communication progressive du français. We talked about this, let me just find the page. So that's chapter 22. Parler aux autres. That means to talk to other people, to others. Page 72. 72. I'm not going to do everything because we don't need everything. It's just how to excuse yourself. I am not going to talk about the plus que parfait because we need to finish with passé composé and another tense, imparfait. Okay? So, Oh pardon madame, excusez-moi, je ne vous avais pas vu. Ce n'est rien monsieur, il n'y a pas de mal. Plus tard, je suis désolé d'être en retard, j'avais oublié la réunion. Ce n'est pas grave, nous n'avons pas encore commencé. Plus tard, en sortant du bureau, Louis, Louis, Isabelle, oh pardon, excuse-moi, je ne t'avais pas entendu. So, Monsieur Catastrophe is like Mr. Catastrophe. Excuser is to excuse someone. S'excuser is to excuse yourself. Oh, sorry, ma'am. Excuse me, I didn't see you. It's nothing, sir. There's no pain, in a sense. Don't worry about it. Later, I am sorry to be late. I forgot the meeting. It's not a big deal. We haven't started. Later, leaving the office, Louis, or Louis, Isabelle, oh, sorry, excuse me, I didn't hear you, or I haven't heard you. I didn't hear you. Okay. So, vocabulaire, se lever. Se lever is to get up. Se préparer is to prepare yourself. So every time you see this se, this is a reflective aspect. So you're doing it yourself. It's like myself, yourself, himself. Okay. Partir de la maison is to leave the house or from the house. Emmener les enfants à l'école is to give them a ride, to bring them to school, or to give them a ride to school. Prendre le train, to take the train. Le bus, the bus. La voiture, the car. Aller au bureau is to go to the office. Le matin, the morning. Avoir une réunion is to have a meeting. So we need to know how to conjugate all those guys. Hein? Avoir une réunion is to have a meeting. Quitter le bureau is to leave the office. Le soir, the evening. Heurter, I don't pronounce the H in French. Heurter quelqu'un dans la rue. Heurter is like to, not to hurt, but to bump. You bump into someone. You know, you don't do that intentionally, of course, and on the street. Attendre le bus, to wait for the bus, the train. Rentrer à la maison, to go back home. Chez soi, home as well. Regarder la télévision, to watch TV. Lire le journal, to read the newspaper. Okay. So, excusez-moi, excuse-moi. Pardon, je ne vous avais pas vu. Je ne t'avais pas vu. Formal et formal. I didn't see you. I didn't see you. Je suis désolée. I add an E because I'm a woman. So I'm going to add a feminine form. Je suis désolée. The same pronunciation, a masculine and feminine. Je suis vraiment désolée. I'm really sorry. Ce n'est rien. It's nothing. Il n'y a pas de mal. There's no hurt. Or, you know, it's not a big deal. Je vous en prie. You're welcome. Je t'en prie. Casual. You're welcome. Ce n'est pas grave. It's not a big deal. Louis a heurté une dame dans la rue. So Louis bumped into a woman on the street. Yes. C'est vrai. La réunion est déjà finie. Non, c'est faux. The meeting is not done yet. So it's like the meeting is already done. Non, c'est faux. Louis ne voit pas Isabelle. He doesn't see her as well. He doesn't hear her and doesn't see her. So I would say c'est vrai. Okay. Plus que parfait, we don't need it. So, il part de la maison à 7h30. He leaves the house at 7:30. Il prend le bus. He takes the bus. Il part, non, il part au bureau. Il arrive au bureau vers 8h30. He arrives at the office at 8:30. Il a une réunion à 10h. He has a meeting at 10. Il quitte le bureau à 18h. He leaves the office at 6 p.m. Il rentre à la maison vers 19h. He goes home at 7 p.m. Il regarde la télévision. He watches TV. Okay. Anyway, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do that the next time, but I want to continue with the passé composé. Okay? So, you have an excellent evening, an excellent week. Je te vois donc la semaine prochaine, Rachel. À très bientôt.